here today to clean up this incredible facility that they have built over many years here at the middle school to help middle schoolers learn about California native plants, how they grow, what's needed to make them thrive. They learn about restoration, and they've got some just awesome opportunity here to expand the program. But right now it needs a little love, so that's what we're doing today.
You know, this has started 20 years ago with a small grant from the California Native Plant Society to Annie Stoneman, who wrote curriculum. She is then integrated into the middle school curriculum here and has been teaching it for 20 years, training all the other science teachers to use it. So it's been quite a project.
We present lessons about the native plants around them, and then we set up for our seed scarification of dune lupin experiment.
Okay.
It's really great to see kids learn to love their neighborhood, that their story is part of the story of the land, and to have that stewardship for this place that we all call home. You think I'm ready for 8th graders? I don't know. I'm gearing up.
Please go to the website, click the link below to follow the YouTube channel, or go to social media and give us a like. Thanks. We look forward to seeing you out there.